Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video, I'll be doing question 21 from 1.4 exercises in James Stewart's calculus. So you're asked to find the function. So it's currently written in terms of C and B. So you're supposed to find what that C is and what that B is. Luckily, we have 2 points to work with, so let's use that. Remember, f of x is y as well, so you can write it like this. So we're going to substitute both of these points. We can start with 1, 6. So the y is 6 and the 1 is our x. So b to the power 1. So it's just b. And that would be our first equation. So we're going to form exponential. We're going to now solve this simultaneously, basically. So now the other form would be us substituting 324. So our y is 24 and our x is 3. This would be our second equation. Now from the first equation, we can now choose to transform any of them. Let's say c is equal to, so in 1, let's say c equals to 6 over b. I guess you can do that. Any order, actually. So I just divided both sides by b, and I now have 6 over b. So I'm going to substitute 1 into 2, but I'm going to use this form now. So I'm going to have 24 equals to cb to the power 3, and I'm going to substitute this c here. So I have 24 equals to 6 over b. That's what I'm going to have. And we have the same basis, so you can say b to the power 3 minus 1. So we have 24 equals to 6b squared. Then we can divide both sides by 6. That should give you b squared equals to 4. And this b here should be equal to plus or minus the square root of 4. But you should know that this base cannot be negative. So therefore, we can choose that b is positive 2. All right, so we now have the b, and we can substitute it back into this form of our equations, where we have c equals to 6 over b. So we're going to substitute that b of 2, which would give us a c of 3. So now in the end, we have the full function. Remember that our function was cb to the power x. So we're now ready to say f of x equals to 3, and then a b of 2 to the power x. So that is your final function.